I chose BGSU because it's not too far from home, and I love everything that it represents, and the campus is just beautiful here.
Their education program was drawing me here for sure, and I just love like the environment. Honestly, this was the only school I even like applied to. I just think I knew that I wanted to be here.
Bowling Green was the first school I ever thought of coming to. My stepmom actually went here, and first school I visited, first school I applied to, and I loved it from day one.
I really like the warm, welcoming atmosphere, and also I feel like they had a really good early childhood education program as well, which I really like.
So I really liked the College Student Personnel Master's program here, and then when I came for interview days, I just felt like this great sense of community and belonging here, and it made me want to come here more than any of the other schools I interviewed at, and so far I've really liked it.
I loved the community. The moment that I stepped onto campus, I just knew that this is exactly where I wanted to be.
When I was looking at colleges, I had my pick of about 4, and I visited each one. But when I came to BG, it was the one that felt the most like home the moment I walked onto campus. The atmosphere was really friendly. It was a beautiful green, and it just had everything that I was looking for in college. So for me, there was no other choice than BG.